Hello friends, so Assam Police SI expected questions আমি চাওঁ কি টপিকস আহিব expected question expected topics কি আহিব আজি চাওঁ ঠিক আছে সো প্ৰথমটো চাওঁ preamble of Indian Constitution preamble টোৰ গোটেই ডিটেইলছ খিনি আপোনালোকে পঢ়িব লাইক preamble টো পঢ়িব প্লাস এটো ৰিগাৰ্ডিং আৰ্টিকলস কি আছে এটো পঢ়িব নেক্সট Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha related questions ঠিক আছে members then elected গোটেইকেইটা questions পঢ়িব আপোনালোকে next important articles of Indian Constitution important articles এটো আপোনালোকে চাই ল'ব জিকে next topic টো আছে geographical map of Assam geographical map টো চাব map টো গোটেই চাই ল'ব তাতে international boundary northeast states boundaries then গোটেইকেইটা ডিটেইলছ চাই ল'ব important হয় যে international boundary আৰু neighboring states of boundaries চাব ঠিক আছে next আছে geographical knowledge of northeast states of geographical knowledge to চাব জিকে view লৈ ল'ব okay so next topic to হ'ব Indian economy related GK and Assam economy ঠিক আছে Indian economy পঢ়ি ল'ব ভালকৈ micro economics mixed economy then Assam economics পঢ়ি ল'ব like industries then Indian economy with inflation poverty sustainable development okay next topic to হ'ব Pradhan Mantri Yojanas important yojanas ki yojanas initially launch korise and then ki agote launch asile so next hobo ancient history of Assam ancient history to pori lobo eto pawi na jabo ancient history pora at least tin side questions ahibo dynasties important dynasties so next topic to ase modern history of Assam modern history British rule GK pori lobo and then the freedom movement study kori lobo okay so next topic to national parks and wildlife sanctuaries gote kira GK pori lobo Assam national parks wildlife sanctuaries are questions okay so next Assamese literature tar bisot current affairs pori lobo last 3 months current affairs pori lobo okay topic ase sahitya sabha important questions pori lobo sahitya sabha gote kira details pori lobo next Supreme Court and judge related questions Supreme Courts judge related chief justice related questions elected human jury members everything so next topic is a quantitative topics so GK at least as per the previous question paper jetu ami salu at least 60 70 60 65 marks GK aibo to jekini topics disu goteila topics or pore aibo so quantitative topics to some profit and loss work time speed distance DI simplification quadratic equations mensuration mixture allegations next topic reasoning with ahibo number series ahibo syllogism ahibo puzzle ahibo not difficult easy level ho simplification coding decoding inequalities apnaloge para type okay so apnaloge akha koru bujhi paise topics ki pori lobo best of luck for exam